In subject Mathematics 2, lesson number 1, Similarity. Today we are going to learn basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Statement of this theorem is if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining sides in two distinct points, then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. Given in triangle ABC, line L parallel line BC and line L intersects AB and AC in point P and Q respectively. To prove AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Construction. Draw segment PC and segment BQ. Prove triangle APQ and triangle PQB have equal heights. Now we will take ratio of areas of these two triangles. Therefore, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equals to AP upon PB. Here height of triangle APQ and PQB is same. Therefore, their areas are proportionate to bases. Now in triangle APQ and triangle PQC, these two triangles also have equal heights, which is PQ. Therefore, ratio of areas of these two triangles is area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equals to AQ upon QC. This is statement number 2, areas proportionate to bases. Segment PQ is common base of triangle PQB and PQC. Segment PQ parallel segment BC. Hence, triangle PQB and triangle PQC have equal heights. Area of triangle PQB is equals to area of triangle PQC. This is statement number 3. Now, from statement number 1, 2 and 3, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equals to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. Therefore, AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Hence, we have proved basic proportionality theorem. Now next point is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Statement of this theorem is if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. In this figure, line L intersects the side AB and side AC of triangle ABC in the points P and Q respectively, and AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Hence, line L parallel segment BC. Now next point is property of an angle bisector of a triangle. Statement of this theorem is the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Given in triangle ABC, bisector of angle C intersects segment AB in the point E. To prove AE upon EB is equals to CA upon CB. Construction. Draw a line parallel to ray CE passing through the point B. Extend AC so as to intersect it at point D. Proof. Ray CE parallel ray BD and AD is transversal. Therefore, angle ACE is equals to angle CDB corresponding angles. This is statement number 1. Now taking BC as transversal, angle ECB is equals to angle CBD. These two angles are alternate angles. Therefore, these two angles are equal. This is statement number 2. But angle ACE congruent angle ECB it is given. Statement number 3. Therefore, angle CBD congruent angle CDB from statement number 1, 2 and 3. In triangle CBD, side CB congruent side CD, side opposite to congruent angles. Therefore, CB is equals to CD. This is statement number 4. Now, in triangle ABD, segment ECE parallel segment BD by construction. Therefore, AE upon EB is equals to AC upon CD by basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, AE upon EB is equals to AC upon CB from statement number 4 and 5. Hence, the bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the sides opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Now next point is property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Statement of this theorem is the ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Given line L parallel line M parallel line N, T1 and T2 are transversals. Transversal T1 intersects the line in point A, B, C and T2 intersects the lines in point P, Q, R. To prove AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. Proof. Draw segment PC which intersects line M at point D. In triangle ACP, BD parallel AP. Therefore, AB upon BC is equals to PD upon DC. This is statement number 1 by basic proportionality theorem. In triangle CPR, DQ parallel CR. Therefore, PD upon DC is equals to PQ upon QR. This is statement number 2 by basic proportionality theorem. Then AB upon BC is equals to PD upon DC is equals to PQ upon QR from first and second statement. Therefore, AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. Hence, we have proved the three parallel lines and their transversal. Thank you.